100% pure almond cookie with only almond flour and water. Almond flour. Put in 2 spoons of almond flour. Pour in a little bit of water. Mix almond flour together. Roll into a ball shape. The proportion of water to almond flour is very important for shaping. Put the cookie dough onto baking paper to prevent sticking. Press slightly onto the dough. Put in a baking cup. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius,
320 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes of baking, let it cool down for a while to harden it.
100% pure almond cookie.
Serve as the most basic almond cookie for all other almond cookie recipes.
A nice texture. Basic almond taste. You can customize the taste by adding your preferable flavors. Ingredients: almond flour, water,